Good evening, traders. I'm Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. Today, I am going to introduce you to two very good indicators so that you can catch big intraday trends with Big Beluga and Trend Trader Remastered. These are the two indicators I have come up and I have found out on the trading view to help you out. And based on that, with these two indicators, I've created a strategy, intraday strategy. So this is a strategy which is rule-based strategy for precision entries and exits. Here comes the two indicators. I have applied these two indicators on the chart. One is Big Beluga Target Trend. Target trend means it plots the trend also, as well as it indicates buy and sell signal. I have combined both the indicators here. Trend Trader with violet line and yellow line you can. So I'm going to explain it to you in detail about these indicators. Just have a glimpse of these indicators. So to show you this, I have applied on the chart. This is call option, today's trade, 24,800 call option. It indicated buy signal. It gave buy signal right at the open. After 5 to 10 minutes, you are getting a signal. That too, after entry, you are getting targets also. Okay. Next, the problem why most intraday traders struggle is they enter too early or late. If they enter too early, they are not going to hold it. Market will start going down and they cannot hold. They start seeing the losses. They will try to exit with a stop loss. And if they enter too late, that will be very extended trade. Then they cannot, even there also they cannot hold the position. They will exit with fear or miss the big move. Sometimes people will enter but exit. No clear trend filter will be there for them. Confusion in sideways markets. That is the most common problem for the intraday traders. They struggle. So what if these two indicators, they stand behind you, guiding you, giving you like voiceover, buy, sell, entry, exit, take profit, re-enter. All these signals were given by these two indicators. I'm going to explain it to you how they do it. This is the picture. This is the confused traders. Actually, traders get confused, especially at the time when the market goes sideways. They will try to enter into this choppy movement and they will get caught. Even here also, yesterday, this is the yesterday's move. Same call option, 29th May. It was in a zigzag motion, and from there they have sold it from 228 or something. They have sold it, and finally it had closed around 60 rupees or 70 rupees. Yesterday itself was some sort of reversal moment we had seen in the market, 24,800 call option. Today it was a big move. So it is a confusion. You cannot hold or you cannot buy. So you can see the trader with confused minds. Here also you can see him. So that is the problem for the trader. They cannot enter properly, exit properly. Even after entering proper entry, They may not hold the position with the fear of not holding. Actually, these two indicators will support you. Support you and will, it is like giving voiceover, sitting behind you, somebody with a hand holding you to take the trade, continue the trade, and when to exit and when to come out. This is a very beautiful, these with the help of these two indicators, you can identify the trend and identify when to exit, when not to take the trade, and everything. So for the solution, these are you meet your two smart trend partners. This is one is Target Trend by Big Beluga on the trading view. So I have pasted these indicators for you to note down and search in the indicator section in the community script section. You will get these two indicators. One is Target Trend and Trend Trader Remastered by iBasam. Big Beluga and okay. Big Beluga, I'm going to explain you how it is constructed. Big Beluga Target Trend, how it works. This is actually in this Big Beluga Target Trend, some adaptive moving averages have been used with volatility consideration. It creates dynamic volatility channel, acts like dynamic support and resistance. Big Beluga Target Trend not only gives you dynamic support and resistance, it also helps you with the signal, green signal at the bottom and red signal at the top if it is a sell signal. So, and apart from that, after the entry, you also get the targets. Targets are plotted on the right side of the chart, and you will come to know the targets in advance. And what it does is, once the one target is achieved, it ticks right mark on the target, and you can hold to the next level. That's how it is. It is very, 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 very useful and visually compatible, and you will not have any confusion. You will not have fear. I can say this much. You will enter with even with the minimum price action knowledge, you can enter the trade and take profitable trades. This is the example. I have applied this Big Beluga Target Trend. You can see over here, the channel was in the upside. So you are not going to take the trend. You are not going to make mistake that a reversal is coming there. There is no signal. It has not plotted any signal, buy signal. Here it had yesterday, this is same call option. Yesterday around 3 or 2:45 or something, it plotted the buy signal. The call option was around 67 and rallied up to 80 or something. And finally, I don't know, it's not plotting. Anyway, I'm telling you people. Yesterday itself, it has plotted a buy signal, and you have got the guide. The first candle was a red candle. Red candle, even though it is a red candle, this channel is beneath and there is a green bar. You can keep stop loss and enter into it. You could have entered very early. It has given you buy signal very early, and in between it is giving plotting red signals. See here over in this area, you can see the red and green alternating above signals. That means it is market has gone sideways. That is the time you should not trade actually. When upward channel alternating with the downward channel, that means the market is going sideways. Better you should take profit over here. This is the big beluga target trend. And you, what is an interesting thing is step by step, it is showing you targets over here. Targets over here, you can see 143, and next target it is plotting 203, and next target it is plotting 263, and it is plotting 310. What more you want? Okay, this is the I have applied this single indicator and showing it to you. Next, Trend Trader Remastered. That is based on the parabolic SAR. All of you must be knowing about parabolic SAR, parabolic stop and reverse. That is an indicator. Probably most of the traders might have used. Based on this, this person has created the indicator with the parabolic SAR logic. So it shows yellow line below the price, giving you bullish signal, and violet line above the price, giving you bearish signal. Not only that, it gives you buy and sell signal, entry, exit, and it also gives you take profit, and also it tells you re-enter. What somebody is sitting beside you and telling you everything, guiding everything. It is like a person sitting beside you and telling you everything. See, with combining these indicators, I've created a strategy. You can create a strategy and you can become profitable. No confusion, no making loss. But the thing is, you should not go against the trend, against the indicators telling. If you do that, definitely you will be profitable. I have applied this Trend Trader Remastered in this. You can see the violet line here. While the violet line was running above till yesterday, and then it flipped to an yellow line, indicating that reversal signal, and it plotted buy signal. And all this TP or take profit, take profit. It says take profit. It is oversold, take profit, take profit. But you should follow, apply your mind and see every signal it is giving for a scalping opportunity. Take profit and market reversed. Take profit, market reversed. Take profit, market reversed. So it says even for the scalping also you can do that, but for a continuous trend trade you need to wait for a proper buy signal, and it says exit sell. If you are selling anything, it wants you exit. It says exit, take profit, and re-enter, and it is giving sell signal. And the yellow line flipped to a violet line above this, and it shows you sell signal, and it says exit buy. This is how it works. So here, why this combo works is Beluga defines the trend zones, not only trend zones, it also give you target trends. So you need not worry about the targets. You can sit through the trend with the confidence, targets plotting by the side of the chart. And this indicator, Trend Trader Remastered with the parabolic stop and reverse, gives pinpoint entries and stop loss. Less confusion, more confidence, works best in momentum phases. Today was a best trade because the market reversed with gust. It trapped all the sellers, yesterday's sellers, and it went above the 24,850 and 900 also. It touched the 24,000, but it was short below 24,950 from where the strong selling had applied. So I have applied both the indicators together. You can see how they are working. With both the indicators, this big beluga is also telling by entry signal it is giving, and it is giving you buy signal, Trend Trader Magic Remastered, and this big beluga after the entry you are getting the targets. If it goes wrong, it also says it is 83 rupees. The target it is plotting 143, 203, 263. Step by step you can go there. So intraday strategy for the long setup, I've shown you Beluga gives you green signal below the channel and the parabolic PSAR yellow line, that is Trend Trader Remastered indicator, flips below the price. So what you need to do is enter on a bullish candle break, and your stop loss will be below the yellow line. Target Beluga targets are plotted based on the ATR. They will guide you through. You can hold the position. Many people will not hold the position out of fear. They cannot run the profits. They will enter and they will exit. But you can hold the position with confidence, with targets running along the chart. You need not worry. You need not juggle your mind to think about what is the target, where to exit. No confusion. And for the intraday short setup, the Beluga gives you red above the channel and parabolic PSAR line, that is Trend Trader Remaster indicator, flips above the price and violet line will be plotted. Enter on bearish candle break, stop loss above violet line. Bonus tips. To boost accuracy, filter with VWAP. You can anchor the VWAP, anchored volume. VWAP you can utilize and anchor it, and you can get confirmation over that. And also you can confirm with volume spikes. And also you can utilize price action patterns, engulfing patterns and all those things. You can utilize, see, you can filter with all these things. If you are in confusion, for confirmation, takes many opinion. So let me take you to the chart and explain you. Let me go to the chart and explain you here. See the bonus tips I am going to explain. This indicator they have given you by signal. Apart from that, what you can do is anchor this weighted anchored VWAP. See, the price has moved above this, and Big Beluga is plotting green, and Trend Trader Remastered is plotting yellow line below the price, and VWAP is also telling. So I have cross-checked with. And another way to cross-check is you can use fixed volume profile. Fixed range volume profile I have applied, and the price has moved above the value area, indicating bullishness. So two filters you can use with along with this, that is the anchored VWAP and volume profile also I am using for filter. You can use RSI also. Sometimes RSI will give you some confusing signals, or sometimes it will give you confusing signals. Then you will be whether it is overbought, oversold, too much overbought. There you will have confusion. Here, nothing. You are entering into it and keeping the stop loss until unless these two are saying sell. Here is confirmed, it is telling, loudly it is telling sell. So around 2:35 it told you exit buy, it is telling you. So what more you want? So you can ride the trend along with this. So let me take it to the, to the chart where I can show you playback. I have applied all this indicator and I'll go for the replay mode and show you how it works, how this indicator uh, in live market, how they perform. Okay, I'm playing it. Just watch carefully. I'm zooming it out. See, the price is coming. This is yesterday's price action. Okay. Today it has plotted green and Trend Trader Remastered plotted buy. It is telling you buy and it is plotting you targets. You can see over here 24,464. It is plotting, it is ticking a right mark. Can you see the targets? The targets are achieved and the final target is 24,877. It has plotted. There is no sell signal. In between for the, scalping, it indicates take profit. See, sell signal has been plotted at this level, 24,878. Once it plots and it started reversing, next levels have been plotted on the market. So next levels will come into the picture and it is plotting next levels. So it has plotted 24. Probably it may not be clear. After this replay, I'll replay again to show you in dark theme so that you can see that how it reversed. You can see. Let me change the mode, to dark theme so that you can see it properly. Let me replay again. Let me replay again from here and closely observe. You please closely observe. After yesterday's huge trap, the market trapped all the sellers, yesterday's sellers. See, it has plotted buy. This is Big Beluga has plotted by green signal, and it is this Trend Trader Remastered is plotting. And you are seeing the targets over here. And it is plotting right mark. So it has achieved that target. Like that it is plotting. And next level also it achieved. And now it is going to 24,877. There is no sell signal. The price is above the channel. Now you are seeing some sort of correction around 1020. That was an intraday dip. Again, price started moving higher, broke above this level, and next targets were plotted. Isn't it beautiful? It is next target, it is showing 24,984. Of course, it didn't go there. A market did not hit, halted over there, and then it started coming down. Now you see, the targets have changed. because sell signal has been plotted. The sell signal at the top and the channel has gone upside. Still, the trend trader magic has not shown you, given you any sell signal. The market came down to 24,833. Let us see, it is going to finish off now. The trade is going to get finished off because already, no, it is not going to finish off. Still 1 o'clock, 1:30. Let us see what it is going to do. 24,800 and 910, again sell signal. The market has gone sideways. In this, you should never trade. It is very, very helpful for you in option trading to be on the right side, right entry, somebody sitting behind you telling you enter, buy, take profit, exit, what more you want. See, it is plotting re-entry. At this level, it is plotting re-entry. Who is that person? That is Trend Trader Remastered. It is telling you re-enter. The market started moving higher. From this level, 24,825, it started moving higher. So it is plotting re-enter. So everything is finished. The market, and it has plotted you down targets of 24. I'm not able to see clearly because labels are like that. 24,742, I can read that. Maybe this is 24,854. And down targets, it is plotting 24,633. And 24,000 third target, it is plotting 24,525. Tomorrow, if it goes down, you know this may be the first target for you. It can go down to 24,742. You can anticipate for that. But the real buy has come over here, 24,577. So when real buy is there, till that, it is a range type of movement. You can anticipate for you can buy on dips, or if it starts going below these levels, then only sell signal will be generated. Until that, see, now the market has not trapped 24,950. Once if it crosses this 24,950 and 25,050, this is the strong sellers zone. When they get all these sellers trapped, the market may move higher. It can move higher above this level, 25,128. So isn't it wonderful, these two indicators, two powerful indicators, like your friends sitting behind you and guiding you with every step. Okay, friends, thank you very much for listening to my video patiently. I hope this will help you in your trade to remove confusion, to hold the position and make you profitable. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.